So what we have here is Kemimoto's winterized riding gloves for motorcycles. So these things are pretty cool. After unboxing them and checking them out, they have some cool little features that I've noticed, and we're going to get into those today. So the first thing I noticed when I pulled these out the package is they are super soft on the inside. I could definitely see myself doing some nighttime or daytime winter riding with these on and staying warm. So on the palm of these, they have this real sticky feeling rubberized material, which is going to help you not to slip when you're driving in like wet conditions, because you know if it's going to be snowing or something, you'll have those slippery moments and you definitely don't want to lose control. And on the top side of these gloves, they have a hard plastic piece that covers your knuckles, so say you're trail riding and a tree limb hits your hand, it's not going to hurt near as bad, maybe not at all. So when putting these gloves on, you got this little latch right here, and it's Velcro. You slide it through the little slot right there, tighten them down, and they feel great. They're not going to just slide off your hands. And another cool feature I thought was pretty neat is on the front two fingers right here, you get these two little different materials, and those are for your phone, so you don't have to take your gloves off and get your hands cold. You can leave your gloves on and call somebody or text somebody with these gloves, and I have tested them and they do work pretty well. So now I'm going to throw this other glove on, and I think I'm going to hop on this Rancher and go for a little rip. If y'all don't mind, subscribe and like this video.